Don't let this diagram fool you. While it looks confusing at first glance, the solution is actually surprisingly basic. We have 6 squares of different sizes fitting perfectly together to form a large rectangle. If 2 of these squares, namely squares A and B, have the exact same area, and the smallest square has a side length of 2 units, what is the total area of the entire rectangle? If you want to give this a try, feel free to pause this video. We will begin the solution by assigning a variable. If we assume x as the side measure of each of the 2 identical squares, then this is x. And since all sides of a square has the same length, this is also x, and this is 2x. Next, let's call this square as square C. The side length of this square is 2 plus x, which means this length is also 2 plus x. How about this distance? Using segment addition, that distance is 2x minus 2. Now let's proceed to square D. The side length of this square is 2 plus 2 plus x, which simplifies to 4 plus x. Next, let's proceed to square E. Each side of this square has a length of 2x minus 2. Using segment addition, this distance is 2x minus 2, which simplifies to 2x minus 4. Now let's go back to square D. The sides of a square are always equal in length. Therefore, 4 plus x is equal to 2x minus 4. Let's write the equation. Now let's solve. Subtract x from both sides of the equation, and also add 4 on both sides. This cancel out, and this one as well. We get x equals 8. We will use this value in the next step, but for now, let's pull up the figure once more. At this point, we already know all the side measures of all the squares. It's time to find the area of the entire rectangle. The length of the rectangle is x plus 2 plus x. This simplifies to 3x plus 2. Meanwhile, the width is x plus 2x minus 2. This simplifies to 3x minus 2. The formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. Substitute the length and width expressions. We get 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. This is a difference of 2 squares. Therefore, it's equal to 3x all squared minus 2 squared. 3x all squared is 9x squared, while 2 squared is 4. Next, substitute x equals 8 into the expression. Eight squared is 64, and 9 times 64 is 576. Finally, 576 minus 4 is equal to 572. The area of the entire rectangle is 572 square units.